Hey guys, Ivan here, and in this video I want to show you a product that's making me over $2,000 in monthly commissions. And the coolest part about this is that I haven't created a single ad for this product to make this revenue. So all of this is pure 100% free and organic traffic. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it as well. It is also super beginner friendly. So if you have no idea how to start, guys, by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to do what I did to be making commissions online and recurring commissions online for any product that you want. So you don't have to pay for any paid ads. It is 100% free and beginner friendly. What else can you guys ask for? So that product is actually Unbound. So as you can see here, for last month, I'm going to be withdrawing just a little bit over $2,000. And for the months before that, the income is about the same. It has been increasing as I'm getting more and more people to sign up. And of course, this is recurring commissions, guys. So once you get some clients on, you'll be making commissions every single month as long as they don't unsubscribe from the platform. So I'm going to show you exactly what I did and exactly how you guys can do it too in this step-by-step video right now. Before I get into that though, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, hit the notification bell icon so you get notified when I release more videos just like this showing you how to make money online. All right, so the way I am able to generate these commissions with this one offer every single month without paying for ads is actually by YouTube. So what I did is I created videos where I recorded my screen and taught people how to use this platform. And I had a special affiliate link that I added in my YouTube description. And if people were interested, they could sign up and buy. So for example, here on YouTube, if we type in Ivan Mana Unbounce, for example, you will see a bunch of videos that I created here with all these views. Now you might be thinking, well, Ivan, you have a big channel, so obviously this works for you. But guys, when I first started, that was absolutely not the case, okay? When I first started, I was a complete beginner. I didn't get any views at all. So my point to you is just get started. I'll show you how to select the products and you'll be able to build up your audience just like I did here, okay? So if you click on any one of these videos, obviously, I teach people how to do all that, but then over here, I have my affiliate link, right? And so this is actually an exclusive offer. So there is a benefit for people to click on this link because they get not only a 14-day trial, but also 20% off on the next 3 months after the trial. So something they cannot get just by going to unbounce.com. But in this video, I'm providing value, right? I'm teaching people how to build a page from scratch. And that is something that a lot of people will find value in, not necessarily for Unbounce. I'm talking about just in general for any product, and something that you guys can do very easily as well. Even if you're camera shy, you don't need any cameras, you don't need any mics. There are ways around it to make it work for you, okay? So the first thing we're gonna do is let me show you how to find a product just like that. So if you go over here into Google and you type in something like top landing page builders, you will see a list here, you know, some articles. You can take a look and just go through them and find something that you like. Some of the builders are completely free and you do have to pay to upgrade, but you can just use the free version and show people how it works. So out of all these, for example, I know that System.io is completely free. I'm not familiar with other ones. I know ClickFunnels has a free trial. GetResponse has a 30-day free trial. So you could even sign up for their free trial and just create some videos while on the trial. You know, nothing wrong with that. But I know that here, System.io, they do have a completely free permanent plan. So you don't even have to be afraid that the trial will run out. You don't have to pay a penny with this plan, okay? And so the way that you can do this, guys, if you're so camera shy and you don't want to spend money on anything, is you can use this software called wevideo.com. So it's www.wevideo.com. I'll put it in the description as well. What you're going to do is just go to the website, you're going to sign up. It's a super simple sign up process. You might just have to verify your email and then you can just get started right away. So you can click on record. And you can click on record screen or record screen and webcam. So if you want to record your face as well, which is totally unnecessary, as you can see even in this video, I'm not showing my face. But if you do want to do that, you would have to pay a little bit. I'm not sure how much, you might have to upgrade. But for the time being, you are good with just using the screen. And then you can go ahead and click next. And then you can choose a mic as well. Right now I'm using the Yeti mic. You don't need to use any audio. You could just get started by just showing people how to use something. So in this case, let's suppose we want to use System.io. We want to teach people how to use that. So you don't even have to use audio, guys. My point here is just get started. Just do it, just get in there. Just make your first video. Take action, right? And then you can slowly improve, and slowly, as you start getting some views, as you start getting some confidence, that's when you can start adding more things, like maybe more audio, or you can use a different paid builder. For example, what I'm using is Camtasia, which it can get quite expensive, but it's a very premium video editor tool. And so you guys can definitely upgrade over time. But my point here is I'm showing you how to start, and this is an excellent way for you to start. So let's suppose you want to use no audio for now. You can click on next, and then you can just record the screen. So you're going to select that, you're going to click share, and boom, now you are going to be recording your screen. So if I sign up to System.io, and you guys can get your own free trial at go.ivanmana.com/System.io. I'm gonna go ahead and quickly log in here, and I can show you roughly how you could do this. All right, so here you are inside the System.io dashboard, and what you can do, for example, even without audio, guys, you can just go in here and just show people. And you can even add little written text boxes. I don't know if you guys have ever had any technical issues. I see a lot of this done in tech videos where the video shows you how to solve some computer tech issue. Maybe something's frozen or bugged. And instead of talking, they have like a little notepad out, and they have instructions written in the notepad. So you can do that too. That is another cool option you can implement. So you can just take a notepad out and write things out and tell people, okay, the first thing we're gonna do is click on funnels over here, right? The next thing we're gonna do is click on create. And so you can just, let me not do it from start. Let me use one of our existing, let's say, get response here. And I'm gonna click edit. So let's imagine you're familiar with System.io, right? This is just an example. You can just go in and show people, and you can take out your notepad and you can say, hey, right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add our headline, and then boom, you're gonna actually go in here and you're gonna write the headline. And then you can say, you can open your notepad again and you can say, hey, let's make our headline look nicer. And we're gonna go here on the left-hand side and we're gonna change things around. We'll change the text background color. We can change the text color itself right here. We can maybe underline it, things like that. So there are ways to do this without voice, guys. Don't let fear stop you. Just get in there, just do it, because you can do it 100%. Even I believe in you guys. You should believe in yourselves too. All you have to do is take action, and you can make this work. I am 100% confident that you can make this work if you just take the action, all right? Don't let anything stop you. Oh, you don't want to talk? That's fine. Do it without talking. Use notes, use little, boxes with words, with descriptions, things like that, right? And then all you have to do, like we're recording right now, we're still recording. You can show people how to do things like, hey, we want to drag this to up here, for example, and then we want to drag this to up here. Don't take this example from me. This is not a good way to make a landing page, but I'm just showing you, right? So then you can say, maybe you can open your notepad again and you can say, hey, let's do something else. Let's add maybe another row here. And you're gonna add another row at the bottom, and then you'll say, let's add an image here. Boom, you're gonna add an image. And now you're gonna, let's see if I have some images here we can use. Ooh, that looks like a nice image. Boom, right? We created another image right here. And stuff like that. That is a really nice image. Anyway, that's the idea. And then you can click on stop sharing, and we can go back to WeVideo. And okay, well, let's click save. It should be over here. And you can see the whole thing. So if I click play, right, we said no audio, so there shouldn't be any audio. Quality is a little bad, but that's okay. It says here that it's shown in low resolution for faster preview. But this is how you can make a video, guys, right? So right here is already, you have the video, which is awesome. Now, some of you guys might be saying, well, there's no point in making a video without sound. I have to have sound, and there's no other way to get around it. So first of all, I want to say that you can easily make videos without sound, okay? Again, it doesn't matter. Just put your foot out there, guys. Just get in there. Just start making content. It doesn't matter. Don't let fear stop you. Sound is just such a small part of it. You can't get any less than 0 views. You cannot. It's impossible to get less than 0 views. So if you make a video with no sound and just a video, it's okay if you get a few, like tens of views. That's okay. That's still better. That's free traffic, and you can get a chance to make sales by, like what I have here, adding my affiliate link at the bottom, right? You guys can do that. Now, for those of you that are saying I must have audio, otherwise I will not do it by, under any circumstances, you could, like I said, you can click record. You can say record screen, and then you can say use a mic. And then you can choose the mic, right? So you can either buy a mic, or if you have a laptop, you should be able to just use the default mic, which for me, I think is this one. This is like my default laptop mic. So even if I wouldn't have had this Yeti, I would have had this default mic. And my quality here is okay. It's not the best, but it is enough for people to hear me if I were to use this. Again, you guys can always upgrade, right? Once you start seeing some progress, once you start seeing that you're getting some traction, people are looking at your videos, maybe you're getting a few likes, you're getting maybe some comments, then you can go in and upgrade, and you can, buy a mic or things like that, right? You can improve. But this is a great, great, great place for you to start. I strongly believe you guys can do it. Now that's option one. Option two is, let's say you're really shy and you don't want to record your voice. So then what you can do is you can use a tool like this one. It's called voicebooking.com. Again, I'm gonna put a link in the description, and you can just write your text here, and then it's gonna automatically create kind of like a robot voice, which is still really good. So if I write here, hey, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a System.io, let's say, landing page, right? You can do that. You can choose a language, let's say English. You can choose US or British. My accent right now is a US accent, so I'm gonna go with US. You can choose your voice type. So you have all these different options. So these are all different female voices, all of these, right? So let's suppose we'll pick number one, and then you can click play. You might not hear it because of my Yeti mic that's plugged in, but this should work and this will play. It's gonna basically read this very well. And the voice doesn't sound like too much of a robot. It actually does sound pretty good. I've already tried it before for a different video. You can also adjust the speed, the pitch, and then when you're ready, you click download. And you do have to log in. I thought I was logged in, so let me just go ahead and log in here. Okay, so there seems to be some temporary error because every time I'm logging in, it makes it look like I'm logged in, but at the same time, I'm not. So based on the previous page that we saw, it looks like they are having some technical difficulties. So that's okay, but you get the idea, right? So all you would do is you would enter your text here, you would click play. If you want to check it, see what it sounds like, you can write as much as you want. I think the maximum character limit is 2,000 characters, but what you can do is just enter your 2,000 characters, click download, and then re-enter, 2,000 more, and just keep going more and more. So you can do that as well. And then you'll be able to click download, and you should get like an MP3 file, which you can then easily save to your computer and then upload right here. So really, really simple to do. The other thing you guys can do is if you go to text here, if you click on the free option here, just static text, you can use this text, right? And then, so you would have to double click it here. And then you can say, first, you have to log into your account, right? And for example, you can say that, you can adjust all this, maybe adjust the sizing, click save. And then, okay, so it looks like this specific text is just kind of showing in the front. You can't even move it, but that's okay. You can choose from any of these options. So for example, you can choose the subtitle instead, right? And the subtitle is gonna show in right there. And so over here, you can say something like, hey, first let's do this, right? So first, log into your account, and then maybe you want to make it black, make it easier to see. Make the text black, there you go, right? So something like that you can do. You can easily increase the size, and maybe you can adjust that. And actually, I think you could have adjusted the text too. The other text, what you could have done there is just move the text like what we're doing here. So that was actually an oversight. But yeah, so you get the idea, right? There are many options for you to do. You don't need voice necessarily. It's great, but you could come up with things like this, like where you just write what you're doing at the bottom or in the middle or whatever you want to do. And so that's the idea. Once you're done with that, whether you import your voice or you record your own voice or you just use these words like that, you can go ahead and click finish. And you can click set, and this might take you a while. If you upgrade your account, you'll get HD or 4K, so you can do that too as you upgrade. You could also, of course, like I said, switch to a different video editing tool. When I first started, I used Screencast-O-Matic, and then I moved on to Camtasia, so you can do that as well. So we can just select this standard quality for now with our free plan, and we can name this. We can say System.io landing page, and we can click on export. And we might have to check back. It might take a few moments. It says video is queued, but once it's done, you'll just be able to take the file that they give you. It's going to be like an MP4 file. You just click save and you'll save it to your computer. And then you guys can keep doing this over and over again. So if you look at my videos, right, I have a video how to create a landing page. I have an older video on how to create a landing page, how to create a custom domain, how to mobile optimize your pages. You guys can do the same things too for any landing page builder of your choice. So maybe you can start with System.io because it's completely free. As you start getting, a few views, you can grow and keep making more and more videos. And look at all these unbalanced videos I have, right? So these are generally topics that I had to talk to with the support team or that I had to do research on to figure out how to do. And instead of getting other people to do that, I packaged it in a neat little, in this case, for example, 3.5-minute video, right? Things like that. So that's the idea, guys. That's how you can do it. This is how you can make money online with YouTube. This is, again, 100% free. Not a single ad had to be created, not a single paid ad, and it is completely beginner friendly. So definitely check it out. I do offer a lot of different training courses for you guys as well if you want to go into more detail into specific ad network platforms like Facebook ads, Google ads, Microsoft ads, or if you want to learn how to make money with ClickBank. Take a look at my training courses at ivanmana.com/all-courses. Also, I have over 400 videos, guys, on my YouTube channel. If you guys just head over to youtube.com/ivanmana, I have so many free videos here that you guys can find incredibly valuable. I've basically documented my entire journey when I started 5 years ago, and every little bit of important information that I came across, I made a video on. So for example, if you're getting 0 sales, what could be the reason for that? How to make money on ClickBank for free, direct linking versus a landing page, what works better? Things like that are just so useful, guys. That took me time, took me 5 years to get to, and I just made it and packaged it in a nice little free video for you. So that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you found value, and I will see you in the next one.